In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit. Now choose display and brightness. Scroll again and this time to hit font. And operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. Wherever you decided to save your changes, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!